Today, we're diving deep into the intriguing history of a dish that might raise a few eyebrows, tripe soup. But before we unravel the mysteries of this culinary concoction, let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered what our ancestors slurped on during their feasts? Well, subscribe and get ready to have your taste buds tantalized and your curiosity piqued. Let's embark on a journey through time to uncover the origins of this intriguing dish. Tripe soup's story begins in ancient civilizations, where resourcefulness in the kitchen was key to survival. Imagine yourself in ancient Rome, where tripe soup was a beloved dish among soldiers and citizens alike. Its hearty nature provided sustenance during long marches and chilly nights. As the Roman Empire expanded its reach, so did the popularity of tripe soup, spreading its culinary influence across Europe and beyond. But the journey of tripe soup didn't end there. It traveled across oceans and continents, adapting to the flavors and ingredients of each culture it encountered. From the bustling markets of Morocco to the cozy kitchens of Italy, tripe soup has left its flavorful footprint on culinary history. Now let's dive into the polarizing world of tripe soup preferences. As with any dish, opinions on tripe soup vary widely, ranging from utter disdain to undying devotion. It's like the ultimate culinary showdown, the battle between the skeptics and the enthusiasts. But what exactly is it about tripe soup that elicits such strong reactions? Some argue that it's the dish's distinct aroma that sends them running for the hills, while others can't resist the allure of its savory fragrance wafting from the pot. And then there's the texture. Oh, the texture! For some, the chewiness of tripe adds an element of intrigue to each spoonful, while for others, it's a texture best left untouched. But hey, love it or hate it, there's no denying that tripe soup sparks lively debates and passionate discussions around the dinner table. So, whether you're a proud member of Team Tripe or firmly planted in the anti-tripe camp, one thing's for sure, tripe soup is anything but boring. Now that we've explored the divisive opinions surrounding tripe soup, let's take a closer look at its nutritional benefits, culinary charm, and yes, its quirks. Tripe soup may not win any beauty contests, but when it comes to nutrition, it packs a punch. Loaded with protein, vitamins, and minerals, it's a hearty and wholesome dish that nourishes both body and soul. Plus, let's not forget about the flavor. Tripe's unique texture absorbs the rich flavors of the broth and spices, creating a symphony of taste with every mouthful. But of course, we can't ignore the elephant in the room, or should I say the cow's stomach lining. Tripe soup's distinctive aroma and appearance may not be everyone's cup of tea, or soup for that matter. It's like the quirky friend at the dinner party. You either embrace its eccentricities or politely decline with a smile. Let's reflect on its profound cultural significance and its role as a cherished tradition in culinary history. Throughout the centuries, tripe soup has transcended geographical boundaries and cultural barriers, uniting people from all walks of life in a shared appreciation for its flavorsome allure. Whether it's the hearty menudo enjoyed during Mexican fiestas, or the aromatic mondongo savored in Caribbean kitchens, tripe soup has woven itself into the fabric of countless culinary traditions. But beyond its role as a beloved dish, tripe soup serves as a conduit for preserving heritage and passing down ancestral recipes from one generation to the next. It's a taste of nostalgia, a connection to our roots, and a reminder of the enduring legacy of those who came before us. So, whether you're enjoying a bowl of tripe soup with loved ones or embarking on a solo culinary adventure, remember that each spoonful carries with it a piece of history and a celebration of culture. And there you have it, the fascinating tale of tripe soup. Will you dare to take a sip and embark on this flavorful adventure? Subscribe and let me know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the delicious depths of food history. Cheers!